So, welcome back. Today we're actually gonna install new headlights because I was very lucky and found an Angel-Eyes headlights for $60 and they actually arrived in time, so it's not gonna be a big gap between the videos now when I'm on the vacation. So this video gonna be uploaded in the middle of my vacation. Anyway, those are second-hand, so they don't gonna look brand new, of course, but I'm fine with that. We may have to polish those up, but I don't gonna have time for that today, and I don't have the stuff at home, and I don't have the time to order it anyway. But here you have it, guys. As you can see, I don't know if, yeah, you can see it's very scratchy and there are some shit on the inside, but I think they're gonna look good when I have polished it. I don't know if I maybe need to open it up to remove the spider webs here, or if I just buy brand new ones the next year. I don't know, but for now we're gonna stick with those. So let's go to work, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. So I think the looks really good. One thing that really annoys me is the list here. You can see are not lined up because they are loose and they are broken. So I actually think I want to buy new ones in the future, but now I know that looks good. And here you can see here it looks really bad. This is an old one from the last headlights because this was missing one. So yeah, I'm probably gonna buy new ones, but let's see how it looks like. And one more thing, I don't know if they are supposed to look like this, but I have taped it here, and they're missing a plastic piece here, so it's probably gonna come in water and things. So yeah, I'm gonna sell those and buy new ones, but let's check how it looks like. Okay, so I have no idea how to turn on those. Those seems to work, but here is just that glowing. So I don't know. I have to research and see how to turn on this, because if I put on the full headlights like that, just both works, or maybe this doesn't work from the beginning, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna buy new ones, I think, but now I know how it looks, but it looks great, but I still need to know how those works. But anyway, thank you for watching, and now you know how you swap out the headlights, and we see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.
Girls with their nails done.